SARURA kids.
Hi guys. I'm making a sandwich. Hi guys. I'm making a biscuit. Hi guys. We do a sandwich. You can have play-doh. Not yet. Not yet. Okay, let me just make a biscuit. Oh, this is all spongy. I had it first.
Do you want to help Nyasha to do some cutting, sweetie?
Yeah.
Okay, so you can do some cutting and then Nyasha can do some more cutting, okay?
Open this.
Okay, ask one of the bigger girls to help you.
Open. I do it.
Oh, what are you doing?
I need to take it out with it. I need to make a biscuit. I'm making a sandwich. I'm making a biscuit with these accessories. So I'm making the bestest sound. The biscuit. I'm doing the biscuit ever. I need to If I don't look. I'm making a biscuit.
I think Ruva said she was going to make a biscuit or a burger. I can't remember.
I'm making a sandwich. Look at this yummy
a sandwich,
biscuit.
yes.
So that means
Yummy.
with some sprinkles on it. You might need to spread it. That, and that. Green, yellow. Look at my biscuit. You want to eat my biscuits? Here you go.
Ooh.
They look yummy.
I'm going to eat them all.
I need blue. I'm going to look right here. No, I need blue. Yes, I do. How did you know that? I need this. Okay. You will need this. I need to use this.
I think she can read your mind, Nyasha.
That would be cool.
She knew exactly what she wanted before you did. But I think you do need some help pushing your Play-Doh through that, don't you, sweetie?
Let me help you. One piece. Beautiful.
Oh, that pretzel is coming along nicely.
Now I just need 9. What's that?
Ruva's making a pretzel. Shall we finish making super why?
What's that noise?
Ooh, that's a lovely looking pretzel.
Now I'm going to add the white for that little. No, to cut now. To cut.
That's a spoon.
To cut it.
No, we're not cutting it yet. But we're still making you more pretzels for your tea party.
I just need a tiny little hole to get these out.
Shall we finish making your super why?
This is so cleaning.
You want to show your spoon? Okay, there's your spoon. Wow, look at that spoon.
It's run away.
And it ran away, yes. And now it's back, yes.
So, my arm.
Okay.
I'm just seeing my flowers.
We're looking at Nyasha and Ruva. Can we please look at Nyasha and Ruva? Look what, I wanted to show you how to make the hedgehog. Come look. Do you want to know how to learn how to make a hedgehog?
Yeah.
Okay, so we've got the hedgehog here.
Yeah.
And what you're going to do is you're going to take your colour.
Yeah. Blue.
Blue, a blue hedgehog. And we're going to put it
What's that, Mummy?
inside the hedgehog's tummy. That's just plastic paper. Alright, so if you put that inside the hedgehog's tummy, Now, can you press down as hard as you can? Push it through.
Hey,
Yeah, there we
I
go.
need black.
Push it through. Keep pushing.
now I'm going to add detail, which is the crust.
Crusty bread.
Yay!
Yeah, your hedgehog is starting to get some little prickles on its back.
Pickles. Pickles.
Oh, this is fantastic.
What are you making?
A pear.
How do you take it out?
I've never known how to take it out of that one, so maybe put some more in and then see if you can peel it out.
Okay.
Some more green.
I just took it all out.
Yeah, I can never take it out of those ones. I don't know.
Oh, those.
Yeah, those are hard, aren't they?
Yeah.
You're peeling off your hedgehog's prickles.
Yeah.
Just try pushing them through and see what it looks like. Look. Ooh, prickles. Ooh, prickles.
Prickles? Are they real prickles?
It's like a gruffalo because it's got... Actually, it's got blue prickles on its back. I should have done purple prickles. Happy little hedgehog.
It's a happy little hedgehog. He's blue. Is this more better?
Let's see if it'll come out.
No.
Oh, yeah. I'm the worst person to ask because I'm awful at doing those ones.
I'm gonna just rip it out.
Good luck.
You need to do this.
Oh, yes.
Where's tail?
I don't know, but apparently this is Whyatt from Super Y.
Yeah.
Good job, sweetie.
Was that super wide?
Yes, that's Super Y.
It's,
With the power to help.
yeah.
Yay! He answers the call for everyone in need. You think? I didn't hear you.
To do that.
Yeah, we did Super Y. Did a good job.
Look off her face.
Well done,
Her
sweetie.
mouth.
With all the rubbing and the rolling.
It's an alien.
And what's Nyasha doing?
With one blue eye. You're on video.
Alien.
She's making an alien with a very long body.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and what's Ruva making?
Now I'm doing
And what to?
Yeah.
Oh.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Yes, and what would you like to make?
I do see my foot.
That's not Play-Doh, though.
Yeah.
Yes, so you gotta see your foot if it's making Play-Doh.
It's something.
Your foot is building Play-Doh, is it? What a clever foot it is. Oh, and what's this one? Is it a jellyfish?
No.
A starfish?
A hedgehog.
Is that the hedgehog one? Oh, they're all hedgehogs.
No. This one is a centipede.
I thought that was a hedgehog all this time. Meh.
I need some scissors to cut.
Our little neighborhood is growing. Does anyone want to make a horse with me?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's make a horsey. Yay! You know, Mummy's very bad at all these things. I can only do like a real horse. Oh, we were going to make Peppa Pig, weren't we? Let's finish making Peppa Pig.
Is it fantastic for my...
Oh, that's good.
Mom, scissors. The scissors.
Look, Superman is flying through the sky. Superman! Whoosh, whoosh. And his cape. Oh, the caped wonder is coming. Is it a bird? Is it a plane? No, it's Superman! Good job, Nyasha. And Superman just lost a leg. Oh, his leg landed before the rest of him did. But they'll just send Superman. And he can't come and save his own leg. Oh dear, poor Superman. Just like magic, his leg is back again. Dun dun dun, Superman.
Well, I have to
Undo.
So, I'll need to make a hole inside. Actually, do you have like a just a little ring? Where's the little? Pizza's gonna be yummy.
Yeah, that pizza's going to be very yummy. It looks very delicious already.
That George.
Yes, that's George and Peppa.
Behind that.
So I'm making a pizza. Is it on video?
No.
Oh yeah.
Right, now can you guys describe to me what you guys have done? You've done a brilliant job today.
Yeah.
You did lots and lots of things. But we have here... Do you want to tell us, Ruva?
George and Peppa, Superman,
Mm-hmm.
Super Y,
Mm-hmm.
and Princess Sandwich.
Princess Sandwich. I love her. Is she a superhero that we know about?
No.
You just created her?
Yeah.
Yay, that's brilliant.
Her dress is like salad.
Yeah, and she's sitting on a sandwich.
Yeah.
Does she travel with a sandwich everywhere?
Yeah. She eats sandwiches every single day and she takes a sandwich everywhere.
That sounds a bit like me, actually. I eat sandwiches every single day. Yay! And saying that, it is time for our lunch. So shall we say bye-bye to our friends and we'll see them again later. See you guys later. Thank you for making sets with us. And we hope to see you back here on SARURA Kids YouTube channel, where we will do more and more stuff together. And thank you, girls. You've done a great job.